What are you doing?
Cleaning it.
Cleaning what? What? What is it?
Bug.
I don't think there's a bug.
Yes, it is.
What kind of bug is it?
Spider.
It's a spider?
Yeah.
Okay, are you gonna get it?
No.
Come on, Caleb.
Ow. No, I don't want.
Well, maybe Caleb will get it. Caleb, use the Kleenex. Will you get the spider? Okay, get the spider with the Kleenex. Angel, show Caleb where it's at.
Caleb, it's right here.
Just give him the Kleenex.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Can you get it?
I want you to get the spider. I want to get it.
Okay, get it.
Ow!
Just kidding. Get it.
Ow!
Is it dead? Is it dead?
Where did it go?
Let me see. Hello? I think you got it.
Where is it?
I think it maybe was just some dust.
It go away.
Okay, let me mommy check. Good job.
Hey, there's another bug.
No, that is a bug. Get it.
No. I don't want to.
Oh, okay, bye.